BDH family day goes to Camp Sabros. Tara, mag-house tour ta. It's the upper white house of Camp Sabros, the newly built house. It's located in Digos City. So that's the dining area. So nice, it's so cozy, it's so chill. It's like a dorm type house at the same time. So it can accommodate for 16 people. And it's also a glass house. You can see the beautiful view from the outside. The beautiful sunrise. And it's very... Oh, kaway-kaway kay video ni! Oh, the mummies! The mommy's return. Welcome to the White House of Camp Sabros, Digos City. Tara, let's go. So this is the whole house. 16 mi kabuok, and then ang among nabayaran is 15,000. Good for 16 people. And bali 3 floors siya, pero ang appeal sa 16,000 is only the second floor and the third floor. Tara, let's go. Hi! That's a T-Rex guys. Porma. That's Lovey Sheila. CR. Ano siya, CR? Naitao? Naitao? Hi! Nice case siya. Kung sa ganit tawag aning nga theme nga balay? Rustic house. That's Ma'am B-Boy, our head nurse.
Kung rustic siya, ang pintura niya.
Medyo black. Kasi tawag, unsa nga theme, Ma'am Bebs? The sink.
Pero kanaman po sa iyang hindi siya nag-draw niyang polo.
Gwapo no kanang lami kaayo kanang murag lami kay matulog. Oh. The beds. The queen size bed. Napay another bed. The gamit nila. Wala sa didria, and then the terrace. The beautiful table. Pak ganun. Nice. The view. Tara, let's go sa second floor. Second floor. Ang view, it's also a glass house. So makita nato ang view sa gawas from here. Yan. Her bed, grabe kakatag. My mother. Da! Grabe ka sexy ni mother. Sofa. And napay another 2 beds. Queen size bed. Love Eliza. And another room. Ooh, nice. The sink. The CR. Not bad. Nagsakay po ito. The view from up here. The view from up here. from the top. Thank you so much. We're going home. Come Sabros, White House. Bye-bye. Dali, dali ta. Pagbabay mo diri. The White House, the Upper White House. Bye. Thank you so much for the wonderful stay. Boy, thank you so much.